Okay, everybody, today is June 2nd, 2019, and we're having a thunderstorm video. And a line of thunderstorms is moving across New York City. Guys, I'm filming! Oops, somebody just threw their crack pipe out the window. Yep, those people there. And it thundered before, and now it's thundering again. I couldn't believe someone threw a bong and a crack pipe out the window. Yeah, the lightning is kind of intense. You'd be surprised at things I find on the floor. Pennies. One time I found a $100 bill. And if you listen, you can even hear the thunder. They're rolling through from the northwest to southeast, and we're under a warning and a tornado warning possibly. Staten Island got battered by a tornado on Thursday, I believe. Tuesday, excuse me. Wow, I'm really making big hits with thunderstorms this year. But there's going to be more tonight. Turn up the speakers and you'll hear the thunder. Harley, you see the storm? You were going to kick me out in it twice. I made it home just in time, and they didn't want to let me in. But I bought Harley a McDonald's burger and a soda. I'm a vegetarian, but I love Burger King. The burgers. I only cheat with Burger King, and I know that's not right. I'm just very sleepy right now. I'm not drugged up. I'm just very sleepy. Sleep deprived. Ah, there goes a good flash. Oh man. The medicine made my mouth so dry. When I see the trees blowing in the wind, I know it's lightning. This better not be a hit down the toilet like last year, July 27th. I had one up. The other one, July 27th, failed. August 7th failed. The 14th failed. And the 11th failed. This year is going to be a big hit. Here comes the rain. Here comes the headache and the migraine and the pain. We are going to have very sharp thunder tonight because we had a quick boomer, a thunderstorm. A thunderstorm with the sun out. They happen all the time in Virginia. So me and my friend June went out today. We're getting closer and closer as friends, and it's making Nancy jealous. But I don't feel that way about June, the redhead. She's not really my type. I mean, I'm friends with her because she's an interesting personality. She's in her 50s and her daughter's in her 30s, but I get along with older people for experience. And we see each other every day, and There's nothing between us. We're just friends. I also met up with Ali, and we had a blast. We did some weed. Hold on a second, guys. Hold on. If it shuts off, I'll refilm it. I had to take the case off. Harley gave me this case. And it sucks. I'll be right back. I want to do something for shock value for this video. And it's going to shock the fuck out of people. Ma! Can I do a shock value for my video?
I don't want you to do that. You have to do it. Come on, take what you're doing.
Okay, everybody, I'm going to do something for shock value right now. I know you're going to hate me forever, but, am I still rolling? Yes, I am. Okay, guys. I'm going to do something very shocking. And when I was homeless, I did this, and it's not going to be fun. I'm going to need to do this in the light. I don't know if I should record this on video or not, but this is just residue of a crack pipe. Now I'm bugging out. Back to the thunderstorm. There was really nothing in there but residue anyway. It's a very bad habit. Never try it. My fanny pack. Now I'm losing fucking everything. Sorry about that, guys. It was only residue. Never try that as a habit. You will be instantly hooked. Instantly. I was starting out with weed and I stayed off it 6 years. Someone took a pipe out and then I was hooked again. I mean, someone did, and then the next day I said I'll never do it again, and guess what? A guy took out another one. And I do want to talk about my drug addiction, a problem. And it's real bad. So I put the bongs and pipes away.